Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, I was scrolling through YouTube when I found this viral AI animated short. So I quickly went to check how many views this one video has, and it blew my mind when I found out it has 1.3 million views. But that's not it. This other video has a stunning 10 million views. Crazy, right? You know what's the stunning part is that this channel has only been public 6 months and it already have 150,000 subscribers and 20 million views while only uploading 28 videos. But that's not it. I found this other channel with over 500,000 subscribers that uploads the same type of content, and it also gets these crazy numbers in just a couple of months. It's no secret that these kind of video are going extremely viral and gaining crazy numbers. You are probably sitting on your sofa telling me,
"But Zach, these kind of videos are really hard to make and I would never be able to make such videos."
Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create these type of videos with just AI. So if you're ready, please like, subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification button to not miss out on future videos. Okay? But before we start, let's have a look on one of their most viral videos.
There lived a young boy named Tom. He loved adventures but feared failing. One summer, the town held a big race. Tom wanted to join but was afraid of losing. His wise grandfather noticed and said, "True strength is not found in never falling, but it..."
As you can see, this video consists of a couple of parts. A story with a moral or lesson, AI voiceover, AI-generated images, background music, and captions. So let's start with the most important part, the story. Because a good story will determine if your video will go viral and generate crazy money with it, or it will fail and you'll start complaining about how shit you are in making money online. Okay, never mind that. First things first, open Google and type Pinterest. Then search for moral lessons. Then as you see, you'll have big menu of short moral lessons you can choose your story from. Okay, so what if I told you that there is another way to create the story with AI? Yep, you guessed it, none other than ChatGPT. I have this amazing prompt that creates high-quality scripts with a great story, moral, and an ending. Just simply copy-paste this prompt into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will impress you with these high-quality scripts. For the next step, you'll need these high-quality AI-generated images. For this, there is no better place to create these viral animated shorts than FlexClip. FlexClip is an AI software that pretty much has all the AI tools you'll ever need, including AI image generation. And other tools like an AI video generator, AI voiceover, we'll come to that later, AI image upscaler, and tens of more AI tools you can use. And the best part, although FlexClip is already cheap, they have a limited time discount for a really cheap price. I'll leave a link in the description for FlexClip so you can use it for the video. To create the images, you'll obviously need these detailed prompts that creates images that match with your script. But as you can see in these other channels, they are using nearly one image every 2 seconds, so you'll need to create a lot of these prompts. But by doing that, it will take a lot of time to generate these images, so I saved you guys all the hard work and found this very powerful prompt for ChatGPT that automatically creates each AI image prompt in a couple of seconds. And it's going to save you a lot of time. Simply put your script in the end of the prompt and boom, you'll get all the image prompt you need for the video. As you see, this is very serious prompt, which will definitely lower the amount of work you put in these videos. So if you don't mind, please subscribe so I can keep creating these kind of videos for you guys. Now go back to FlexClip and click in this AI text to image button, then press model and choose this 3D animation style. After you do that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt, then paste it into FlexClip. Keep on doing that until you've downloaded an image for each prompt. Before we can edit everything together, you'll need a voiceover. For this, I also recommend FlexClip. This is by far the best AI voiceover out there. Now press on this AI text-to-speech button. After you do that, choose the AI voice that you think suits most with video. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the script that we generated earlier, and paste it to FlexClip. Now press Generate. Boom! You have your voiceover ready. I'll leave a link in the description for FlexClip so you can use it for the video. Great, now we are ready to start editing. For the editing software, I like to use CapCut, since it's free and very easy to use. So without further ado, let's start editing. Okay, so first of all, start uploading all of the images and the voiceover. Then drag the voiceover into the editing timeline. But people nowadays tend to get bored real quick, so you need to make the video fast-paced as possible. Start up by cutting all the pauses in the video. This will make the video faster and more engaging. This is how you do it. Then do the same process in every pause of the audio. The second step is to drag your first clip into the timeline and adjust its ratio to 9:6 for YouTube Shorts. Then trim your clip according to the audio line so it's in sync with the audio. Now you just need to repeat the same step for each clip and arrange them according to the audio so everything would be in sync. Once you're done, we have to add some action for the clip. So press on this transitions button and choose this pull and transition and drag it and place between the clips. After that, just repeat the same step for each.
We're not done yet. The editing is still missing some seasoning, which we're gonna do in this final step. Press on each clip, then place the slider on the beginning of the clip, then on the top right. You'll need to press on this Add Keyframe button, and then place the slider on the end of the clip. Press Add Keyframe and increase the scale by 20 to 30%. Do this step to all clips. What this will do is that it will give each clip this nice and slow zoom in effect, which can make the video more engaging. The only thing that is missing right now is background music, which will make the video feel smoother. The best place you can get copyright-free music is actually YouTube's audio library. They literally have hundreds of thousands of music that you can have all for free. For this kind of video, I would just simply search for some piano music. So go ahead, choose the one that you like. So once you imported your music, drag it to the timeline, then trim the opening silence part, then go to the end of the video and delete the rest of the music. Done? Not quite. We still need to implant captions to the video. So go back to CapCut, press on text, add to track, auto captions, and then press generate. This is how your video should look like now. But still, I'm feeling that there is something missing. Let me think. I know, we need to customize the captions so it will be more engaging. Go back to CapCut, press on the text, then choose a font to your liking. Now go to animations and choose the animation that you think looks good on the video. After that, go to effects and choose the effect that you like. Yes, we finally did it. You guys can go and celebrate now. Ha 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 ha. But before you do, let's see how the final video looked like.
Kite. It's useless now. But his dad looked up from fixing a chair. Is it? The thread's like a path. It can seem pointless alone, but it connects to bigger things. Ben frowned. But this won't fly anymore. Not as a kite, Dad agreed. But what else could it be? Ben tied it to a stick and made a small
Okay, guys, you get the point. Now, guys, if you follow this guide step by step, I'm sure you guys will be able to make money with YouTube. So, guys, if you like this type of content, please don't be shy to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share it to your friends so they don't miss out. Bye, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.